I have just returned from a visit to my mother, and have a look what she just gave me, guys. My late father was a carpenter by trade, so obviously he used to have a lot of these sorts of things, these planes here, but this one is rather special, and as you can see, very beautiful too. This is very special because he made it himself. Now obviously he had the metal part here made up by someone, made it specially for him, and he got the blades and this part from another plane he picked up somewhere, but the wooden parts he made himself, and he put it all together, assembled this all together himself. I'm sure you'll agree this is a very beautiful plane. It was willed to me by my late father, although Mum forgot to give it to me. Never mind, I've got it now, and I am very proud of it, as I'm sure you can understand. It's a very lovely piece of kit actually. I mean, I don't do a lot of woodwork myself, but Dad was always doing woodwork, and he was always very good at it too, guys. Fits my hand a treat actually. It's very nice indeed, I like it. As I say, I think you got the blade and this part here from somewhere, probably a car boot sale or whatever, or purchased it from some shop or whatever, wherever you found these parts, these second-hand parts. As I say, he had the sole or the base plate here made up especially for him. In fact, you can see some of the welding. I'll turn it over again, guys. I think you can actually see some of the welding here. Where it's welded together. There are a few marks in it, as you can see. So it's probably maybe made out of some old bits of plane that the guy had and welded them together. As I say, you can still see them, but Dad wasn't too worried about that. And you can see some machining marks on the bottom. As I say, Father wasn't too worried about that. But it's an absolutely beautiful bit of kit, guys. I think the only trouble is it's got a couple of bits of woodworm, unfortunately, I think. I mean, not that I know much about woodworm and what have you, but just there and just there are some little teeny holes. I'll put you some close-ups in there, guys, but it's yeah, a very nice piece of kit actually. Loving it. Well, it's a thing of beauty, guys. I'm very proud to be owning it now. I don't know when my father made it. It was obviously more than 10 years ago, before he got his Parkinson's. He was very, very good at doing this sort of thing, you know, woodwork and what have you. He even made himself a saw as well, which hangs on the wall of my garage. I'm going to be making another shelf just underneath the little saw there to put this on, as like a sort of a shrine, I guess, to my late father. But yeah, this I absolutely love. I'm sure you'll all agree this is a thing of beauty. I shall treasure it, guys. I shall treasure it. I shall look after it too. Probably pass it on to my son if he wants it as well, guys, because I'm sure it'll still be going then. Woodworm permitting, of course. But yes, beautiful bit of kit. Right, guys, don't forget you can follow me on Instagram. I've already put some pictures of this up on Instagram. You can support the channel via my Patreon page as well. It all helps, guys. Every little bit helps. There's also my Google Plus too, if you want to follow me on there. Hope you enjoyed this quick look at my late father's plane that he made himself. Please leave me any questions or comments down below, and I will see you again later then. Bye!
Oh.